Today I am excited to share with you a delicious recipe of fruit chaat. This is the simplest recipe you will make at home easily. Stay connected till the end. For the ingredients we need fruits of your choice. I will take 1 apple, diced, 4 to 5 bananas, sliced, 1 cup grapes halved and 2 cups of watermelon diced, 1 guava, diced, 1 orange, peeled and segmented, ½ cup orange juice. In a large bowl, combine the diced apple, sliced bananas, halved grapes, diced watermelon, diced guava, and orange segments. Squeeze the orange juice over the fruit mixture and toss gently to coat. Sprinkle the chaat masala powder over the fruit mixture and toss again to distribute evenly. If you like my recipe, please let me know in comments section. Serve the fruit chaat immediately, garnished with additional chaat masala powder if desired. Hope you like my recipe. Thank you so much.